Tony, many congratulations. It's good to see a smile back on your face.
It's been some time, hasn't it, coming, but yeah, it was a tough afternoon. You know, the conditions were really tough for both teams, and credit to Fflint. I think Fowles and Steve have done a brilliant job of Fflint. You know, they're probably one of the best footballing teams in the league, and we knew how tough it was going to be today. So maybe the conditions helped us slightly with that. And you know, I thought 2-0, we were quite good for the 2-0 lead, but once we give them a goal back, then obviously we get nervous because of the situation we're in and the results we've had. But you know, fortunately we got the third goal.
Lee, not the result you were looking for. Where was the game lost today?
I just think we were sluggish. I think first half we... it's 3 points dropped, by the way, 1,000,000%. Fair play to Hwlffordd and Penn's a good mate of mine, but first half I just thought we broke the first line and then it got slow. We'd lose possession in the middle of the park. I let him in, good for a free kick, goes in 1-0. We try and get him in a little 5-10%. We then break through the first line, break through the second line, and then Hwlffordd went to a low block, and ultimately we couldn't find the answer in terms of run out of ideas in our final third. But you know, I keep saying to my players is if you just pass the ball and move the ball 2 touch, you know, we go down one way, but we're looking actually to attack them through the other side of the pitch. And then we just end up making wrong errors, wrong times, and then Hwlffordd were just looking for the counter, and then obviously the third goal is set piece where somebody should be picking up, but nowhere near the standard I expect. We've got to find a formula this away form, because our home form is outstanding. We just didn't look like we had the same energy as we do with the home game, so something that I've constantly been searching for the last 3 years, really, in terms of how, why, what and when.
Dan, you always play with a smile on your face, but what a fantastic goal you've scored today. Talk us through it.
Yeah, well, obviously Sheffy's made a great run, and you know, me and Sheffy have that connection where I know if I run behind him, he likes a little flick, so I knew he was going to put it back inside, and then yeah, connected well with it, and so couldn't really hope for any more.
And it just flew into the top corner.
Well, yeah, I mean, caught it well, and I guess that's what happens, but the wind probably helped as well today.